Hello everyone. Today our topic of discussion is National Waterway. Now, what is a waterway? When we use water as a medium of transportation, it is called a waterway. Now the question is why we use it. Reason being the cost is 0.50 paisa per kilometer. It is very cheap cost. So we prefer to use waterways. Now, what type of questions that can be asked from this area? They can ask you extent, they can ask you the river, they can ask you the states involved. Now, in National Waterway 1, rivers involved are Ganga, Bhagirathi, and Hooghly. Extent is from Allahabad to Haldia. States involved are UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. Clear? Now, let us look this into map. UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. These are the four states which are involved in National Waterway 1. Now, let us see National Water 2. Rivers involved is Brahmaputra. Extent is from Sadia to Dhubri. States involved are West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. Now let us have a look in map. West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. Now, what is this NW2? West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. Now, let us continue further. National Water 3. Extent is from Kottam to Kollam. Rivers involved is West Coast Canal and the state is Kerala. State here is Kerala. Now let us continue further. National Water 4. Extent is from Kakinada to Puducherry. Rivers involved are Krishna, Godavari. And the states involved is Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Puducherry is not a state, it is a union territory. Now, from National Water 4, the examiner can twist you that he will give you a list of 4 states and he will ask you the states involved in National Water 4. And what the students generally do is they consider Puducherry as a state and they mark 3 as a option. But the right answer will be 2. Why so? Because Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are the only 2 states which are involved. But Puducherry is a UT. In National Water 4, the states involved are Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. This Puducherry area is a UT. So, there are 2 states involved and 1 UT. I hope it is clear. Now, let us continue further. National Water 5. Extent is from Gwenkali to Talcher Dhamma. River involved is Brahmani. States involved are West Bengal and Odisha. Now, let us have a look in map. States involved are West Bengal and Odisha. States involved are West Bengal and Odisha. Clear? Now, NW6. This is under construction and it is a proposed waterway. Extent is from Lakipur to Bhanga. River involved is Barak. States involved are Matam, Manipur, Assam, Tripura, Mizoram. M A T M. Manipur, A for Assam, T for Tripura, and again M for Mizoram. Now, these were the waterways NW 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 was proposed one, and you have to remember all this from the examination point of view. Okay, thank you very much.